You ready to elevate your gameplay in college football 25? Today we are diving into coach mode, a feature that let you take control and lead your team to glory. Whether you are a seasoned player or just starting, this guide will help you to turn on coach mode and maximize your coaching potential. Let's get started. To activate coach mode in college football 25, navigate to the main menu and select dynasty mode. From there, choose the option to create or manage your coach. This is where your journey begins. When creating your coach, you will need to select an archetype you can choose from. Navigator. Focus on player development. Recruiter. Specialize in attracting top talent. And technician. Master of game strategy. Your choice will shape your coaching style and impact how you progress through the game. Once your coach is created, it's time to level up. As you play, complete specific tasks to unlock over 50 different coach abilities. For example, if you want to specialize in fast tempo gameplay, consider a skill like battery pack, slows player fatigue during hurry up plays, caught napping, delays defenders looking to sidelines. Tailor your skill to fit your team's needs for optimal performance. Don't forget about the coaching course. These 5 weeks period act like a coaching free agencies. You will need to strategically hire coordinators who complement your skill and align with your team's goal. Look for coaches with matching scheme and prestige for the best synergy. Now that you know how to turn on coach mode and build a winning team in college football 25, it's time to hit the field. Remember, being a successful coach requires strategic planning and continuous improvement of your skill. So get out there and recruit top talent and lead your program to victory. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on college football 25. Happy coaching.